Today we are gonna visit the capital of Cambodia, Phnom Penh. But before immersing ourselves in this peculiar city, let's have a tour of our $36 apartment.
Welcome! This tour will be very quick because the apartment is a studio actually, so very tiny, but very convenient for us because right here there's the kitchen, which is tiny, but as Italians we manage to cook very good meals even with these small appliances. Then here there's an even tinier bathroom, but still very functional. The sink is pretty big, there's a toilet, and the shower is incredibly great. The water pressure and the temperature of the hot water is a dream come true. Instead, here, big fridge. Into the living space, we have this nice sofa, which is very comfortable, and we've been eating meals and working in chaise longue position. And on this other side instead, we have this tiny but yet functional table and the big bed, which it's actually very comfortable. Big plus for us is the AC, which is not directly on us while we lay on the bed, and we love that. And it's working very, very good. But the thing we've been using the most is on the terrace, on the balcony. A very good washing machine. We have been washing all our closet, and it's so convenient to have one when we are staying for more days in an apartment. Also, there's this rack we use to dry clothes. Perfect. When instead, these chairs, we haven't used them. Plus, the apartment comes with a very beautiful rooftop and a big swimming pool on the top of the building actually, and also a gym. Obviously, we haven't used any of those amenities because we have been editing. And now, finally, it's time to go explore the city. Phnom Penh, we're coming!
This is Wat Langka, a colorful Buddhist temple in the city center. Indeed, it's super near to our apartment. It was built to store the holy writings, but unfortunately right now we cannot visit it because it's under renovation. Still, the exterior is so beautiful.
I have no idea what we just witnessed. I think they were like a funeral carts bringing monks.
And a lot of people wearing white clothes.
Yeah,
It was really interesting.
yeah, that was cool. And here we have the so iconic Independence Monument, modeled after the central tower of Angkor Wat. It was built in 1958 to commemorate the independence from France in 1953. It also serves as a memorial for Cambodians' war dead, and it's so huge and beautiful. In the middle of this square, with all the cars moving around it, it's so iconic.
Now we are trying to visit the Royal Palace. Online it's not easy to find all the information, but here it looks like from the sign we just saw that we can enter. Well, actually, it's closed until 2 p.m. To enter, we have to withdraw some money, but we don't know if it's worth it because some ATMs require you to withdraw $100. And here, instead, the fee is $10 each.
It was kind of strange because the sign at the entrance said that we could enter up to 11 a.m. and instead it's 10 a.m. and they didn't let us in. Also, it's kind of annoying that you can only pay in cash, but we'll see if later we can do it.
Let's see if we can withdraw $20. You see, only $100.
And what we are scared of is that we're gonna give them $100 and they will give us back the change in real, which is something they do. And since we are leaving tomorrow, we don't want to have $80 in real. So that's the struggle.
This is the National Museum. Its architecture is impressive. I think it's really a beautiful building. But unfortunately, we are not gonna see the inside because they don't allow to film. This is Wat Ounalom, the headquarters of Cambodian Buddhism, and inside it's full of beautiful statues. So this temple is really worth a stop.
Wow, I don't know if it's the season, but trees have blossom flowers and it's stunning. So seeing all the temples with these beautiful flowers, it's so pretty. I'm loving it. This is Sisowath Quay, which is the riverside, where locals and tourists come to see the sunset and even just to have a stroll along the promenade. It's a 3 kilometers riverfront along the Tonle Sap River, and at its southernmost part, this river meets the Mekong River, so you can see the conjunction of the two rivers. And it's a nice view, I would say. We managed to find an ATM that let us withdraw $20. We paid $4 in fees, but still we have $20. So later we'll for sure go check out the palace and the Silver Pagoda.
We are just enter in Wat Phnom, and to do so we have to pay $1 each. With this fee we can stroll all around the temple and go discover it.
I'm very happy we still had $1 from previous cash and some reals that made the amount in dollars. And as you can see by the many stairs, it's actually on a hill, the only hill in Phnom Penh.
According to the legend, the first pagoda on this site was erected in 1372 to house 4 statues of the Buddha deposited here by the Mekong River. They were discovered by Lady Pen, hence the name of this city, Phnom Penh, Hill of Pen. Behind me, there's Psar Thmei, also known as Central Market. The huge domed hall resembles a Babylon ziggurat.
The actual structure of the market has 4 wings, and inside them there are many stalls. Unfortunately, today it's closed and there are only stalls outside. Still, you can walk around and buy things. Whatever.
Be aware, though, that among Cambodians, this market has a reputation of overcharging most of the products.
And now, since it's 2:21, it's actually time to go see the Royal Palace and the Silver Pagoda. Let's see if we can make it. Wow, I don't know what that bird is, but it's huge and it's so cool. I want to know its name. Please, if you know it, comment down below. We came back, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. We made it! They even gave us a map, and there are actually a lot of things to see.
The Royal Palace is a complex that was built only in the mid-19th century. The reason of the construction was simple. Back in 1865, the King Norodom shifted the royal capital from Udong to Phnom Penh. Due to the king's arrival, a new palace had to be built, and the Royal Palace was the result.
Unfortunately, we cannot show you the inside because we cannot film, but we are gonna see it. Wow, it's actually huge and so beautiful. It's so well kept also.
This strange building behind me is called Napoleon III Pavilion, and it was gifted from Napoleon III to King Norodom. It was sent in Cambodia in pieces.
Little fun fact about this royal palace. If you can spot a royal blue flag, it means the king is home, is here. And actually, today we managed to spot it. That's so cool, right? And here it is, the Silver Pagoda. Unfortunately, even this one, we cannot show you the inside, but I can tell you that the floor is completely made of silver tiles, hence the name Silver Pagoda. Inside also you'll see many Cambodian treasures, and the one that we were shocked by seeing is a Buddha statue which is made of 9,000 diamonds, and it's crazily beautiful. Wow, this complex is incredibly stunning, but be aware that they have some strange timings, because it's 4:30 and they already closed the Silver Pagoda and even the Royal Palace even before that. The sign we saw at the entrance, it's not accurate, and they close the sites while you're seeing them just after that. So you gotta be quick to properly visit them. And this was our final stop of the day.
How was Phnom Penh in your opinion?
I loved it. I was not expecting to like it so much. I don't know why, but my expectations were kind of low because it's kind of tough to find things to see like online. So the planning was not easy. But still, the things we saw were incredibly beautiful. So I'm so glad you organized it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And all the people were always smiling, and so it's such a special place.
I loved it. So, if you liked it as well, please give this video a like and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.